everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to split screen in PC quickly and easily, so you can work on two applications side by side without any hassle. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows plus tab on your keyboard to open Task View. Task View allows you to see all open windows and organize them easily, which is the first step to splitting your screen efficiently. Step 2. Drag a window to the left or right side of the screen. This will snap the window to that half of your display, making it easier to work with multiple applications at the same time. Step 3. Select another window to fill the opposite side of the screen. This automatically positions the second window so both windows are visible simultaneously, which is perfect for multitasking. Step 4. Adjust the size of each window by dragging the middle divider. This allows you to make one window larger or smaller depending on your preference, giving you full control over your screen layout. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.